So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NFL props bet here on Bet365. So once you're into your Bet365 account, make sure you go to the top, and for me it actually is right here on the left hand side, so the upper left. I can go ahead and press on the NFL, or what you can do as well is go to the bottom left and press on sports, then press on football, and then you can go to the NFL this way. Now, once you're on the NFL, let's just say, for example, you wanted to do a prop bet for the week coming up. So what you can do here is press on whatever game you're looking for. So if I wanted to do, Green Bay versus Detroit, or whatever the case may be, I can go ahead and press on this game right here. I can then go ahead to where it says main props. And I can place a prop bet this way. So, winning margin, odds and overs, there's a whole bunch of different options there. You can go to player props as well. Press on player props. You can do a whole bunch of different things this way. So you can go A.J. Dillon, first touchdown, for example, or whatever the case may be. A whole bunch of different options here. Just make sure you're navigating the props, going between main props, player props. There's also score props. You can go ahead and check out the score props. You can also do team props. There's team props right here. There's half props. There's quarter props. Basically, you can go ahead and play around with it and select whatever one you want to. So for demonstration, if we wanted to do, how about we just do for demonstration this one right here, player props. We go A.J. Dillon, anytime touchdown. We'll go ahead and press on that, set the wager, then press place bet. Once that is done, it's that simple. So that is how you guys can place an NFL props bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.